God remembered Rachel. He remembered what did
you
know that for us we remember, but we just end on that way? You remember a person, but we just end there. But the Bible says that God remembered Rachel. Remember the house. God had to do Now God saved this lady, the one who was buried. Now God has remembered the house. When he remembered the other one, he took the burial. Going to build a house. What is he going to do for you? He's going to remember her. The gown she did not test, she will test it. God remembered me. As people had placed their reports, when God remembers when God remembers you, He gives you something. Now people are saying that I'm going to speak about the husband. Amidst the challenge, amidst as I'm about to wipe the God remembered me. And God saved me. And now gave me a better promise. Bless him is the one. And you see what God has given to me. For the whole time I was preparing it. Remember preparing for you. One day my mother told me, we are five. We believe them. Now, my mother told me, gave birth a girl. The second born was a girl. The third was a girl. She told me that you're going to take my ways. You're going to inherit that. She changed and as she changed, she ended up that one. And I said, now look at this. All the 5 children without getting. God remembered. God remembered me. Let God remember you. Let God remember you. And he said, puts away your tears. Where there was tears, have you ever felt without you laugh while crying? It is just mere laughter. God can remember.
Katonda ajjukira.
God can remember.
Ekyo ky'oyitamu.
What you pass.
Tolowooza nti that is your destiny.
Don't think nti agendako.
Njogedde ki? Y'enkomerero yo.
You may think it is your end.
Your end. I was not in English. Naye tolowooza nti y'enkomerero yo. Yesu omulungi yeebazibwe.